Good day everyone, my name is Ryan Vladimir B. Barsola. Today I'll report agrarian reform under President Rodrigo. Agrarian reform redistributing land to tenant farmers. Importance reduce poverty, promotes rural development. Executive Order Number 75/2019, Land Distribution, Support Service, Farm Mechanization Credits Access, 580,000 hectares of land distribute, thousand of ARBS served. Slow land distribution, land conversion, corporate control, budget constraints. Positive socio-economic effect on rural communities. Reduce insurgency in Mindanao. Progress in land. Distribution of support service. Unfinished business need for community.